How to format date and time. So first we import the module datetime and create an object for it. dt is equal to datetime dot no I'll give a manual a date. So I'll write 2020 comma 17 comma 12 comma 17, and I will print this. So to change it to string, we are first going to write dt dot strf time, and we write the format. So we write %d, %b, and %y. We will put a slash between each of these. So when we run this code, we get 17 December 2020. If we change the middle value, that is the b that we had written, to suppose m, so it will say 17, 12, and 2020. But now if we remove all of this and we write just capital D, that time it will show just the time in the default format, that is month, date, and year. And the year is also written in short form, that is 20 only. Now I can write here %b, capital B, %d, and then I write %y. So it will write December, the the full name of the month, and 17, then 2020. So that's for the date. As for now, as for the time, we use again strf time, and this time we'll give the date time as now, and we can write time is equal to dt dot strf time %h, that is the hour of the day, and then %m, that's the minutes, and %s, that's the seconds. Now print this value time, and we get 10, 12, 24. Now I can add both date and time together, and I'll suppose write over here only %d slash %b and %y. I've written small y this time. So when we enter, we get 17, 12, 20, and 10, 13, 32. I'll print the current time and just show you the difference. So the current time is 2020-12-17. You can see, and we have written it as 17/12/20, and the time is also differently represented. So we have formatted our time and the date as per how we want it to look like. So this is how you so this is how you format the date and time objects in Python.